StudAI has just hit the market, and if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, you need to know what this new software can do. In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about StudAI, whether you're considering using it or just curious about how it stacks up against other AI tools. Let's dive in. And by the way, if you're interested in giving it a try, you can get access completely free from the first link below. First off, StudAI is designed to revolutionize the way businesses and individuals use AI. It's an intuitive tool that's perfect for marketers, content creators, and even entrepreneurs looking to supercharge their productivity. What makes StudAI stand out is its seamless integration with your workflow. You're not just getting a one-size-fits-all solution, you're getting something that adapts to your unique needs. Now, number 2 on the list, the user experience. StudAI has one of the smoothest, easiest to navigate interfaces I've seen in a while. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you won't need to spend hours learning how to get started. Everything is laid out clearly, and setting up your account takes just minutes. Another thing you'll love is StudAI's ability to generate high-quality content. From blog posts to social media captions, StudAI's writing capabilities are impressive. It uses advanced natural language processing to create content that feels natural, engaging, and most importantly, effective. This is a game changer for anyone struggling with writer's block or needing content fast. Let's talk about personalization. One feature that really sets StudAI apart from other tools is its ability to tailor results to your specific style. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, writing emails, or drafting social media posts, StudAI learns your preferences and fine-tunes the output. The more you use it, the better it gets at matching your voice and tone. Number 4, automation. If you're managing multiple tasks or projects, StudAI can handle repetitive work for you. Whether it's scheduling, drafting, or responding to common inquiries, StudAI helps you stay focused on what truly matters. This automation saves you valuable time, and who doesn't want that? Another thing that caught my attention is how well StudAI integrates with other tools. If you already use popular platforms like Google Analytics, email marketing tools, or CRMs, you'll love the smooth connections. This makes it easy to incorporate StudAI into your existing systems without any hassle, which is a huge plus for efficiency. When it comes to data security, StudAI takes it seriously. With everything moving online, it's crucial to protect your data. Rest assured, StudAI uses robust encryption protocols, ensuring your information is safe and secure while using the software. This makes it a trustworthy choice for businesses of all sizes. Finally, StudAI is consistently being updated. The developers behind it are actively working to improve the software with new features and functionalities. So when you invest time into using it now, you're not just getting a tool for today, you're getting a future-proof solution that will only improve over time. If you're still on the fence, here's a quick heads up. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I've gathered my recommended AI software in the description below. Give StudAI a try for free and see if it fits your needs. To wrap up, StudAI is a powerhouse for anyone serious about boosting productivity, automating tasks, and creating high-quality content. It's intuitive, secure, and versatile, making it one of the best just-released AI software tools out there. So check the description for the link to try it for free, and don't forget to explore my other top AI software recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.